Using segments inside Lucky Orange surveys, announcements, and chat helps you reach the right part of your audience at the right time. Here's a quick look at how to add a segment to your targeting configuration inside these tools. Begin by creating a new survey, announcement, or chat auto invite. For the purposes of this video, I'll be creating an announcement, but the steps are the same across all three of these tools. Inside Lucky Orange, navigate to Communicate, and then go to Announcements. We'll then click on the New Announcement button, and we'll choose which sort of announcement we want, go through the basic steps of naming. We can create our content for our announcement. So this would be something like an upcoming sale, upcoming downtime, really anything that we want to get in front of our website visitors. This video then is step 2, which is triggers. Now, when we first load, we see that there are simple triggers available, things like a specific URL, a certain device type, or maybe a delay for launching the announcement, in this case, like a certain amount of time on page or scroll depth. Let's change simple to advanced. And then what we can see is a drop-down where we can choose more advanced triggers like traffic source or an event on the website or how long ago their first visit was or their last visit was. What we're looking for here is segment. Once we choose segment, we can select a segment from the drop-down. So let's say we want to do an announcement to confused visitors. We can select confused visitors. We can also make this even more advanced by adding another rule. So for example, with confused visitors, I might want to have an announcement going to confused visitors on mobile. Really, the combinations are somewhat endless here. From here, we'll choose our delivery timeline. We'll review the announcement to make sure it's exactly what we want and hit save. So give segments a try the next time you're building out a survey, announcement, or live chat auto invite.